You're listening to the Seen and Solved podcast brought to you by Hubbard-Hall.
Tell us about an example where you got a call, somebody's having a problem. You brought this in. Did it work right off the bat? Tell us about that.
Yeah, so we have an anodizer customer. He's in Pennsylvania. He was having some type of issue, cleaning issue, and a lot of the standard old school formulas for non-etch cleaners, and we have a product similar, are these old borax based cleaners. The problems is the tanks tend to get contaminated pretty heavily. The borate salts tend to fall out of solution. They can cause issues on the surface part. I said, you know what? You need to put a non-borax based cleaner in, and this will eliminate the problem. And we did, and the problem went away.
The Seen and Solved podcast is brought to you by Hubbard-Hall. Better results, less chemistry.